Brother, I see a lot of men on a quest, on a journey, on an adventure to explore what it truly means for them to be a real man. I notice that some of those men have a hard time embodying their emotions, expressing their feelings. And if they're capable of doing so, it's usually with their wife, with their girlfriend, with their mom. And it is so important to connect with other men. However, there is no safe space. Introducing my men's circle, where there is a safe space to share anything what comes up. I'm talking deep, nasty, dark, hidden bits and euphoric, super high vibrating, celebrative stuff, and anything in between. Wherever you're coming from, I have 6 seats in the house in my beautiful office in Amsterdam. This is for expats. I run a Dutch circle as well. If you don't live in Amsterdam, I will also be hosting a circle in Haarlem, in Utrecht, and in Rotterdam. Brother, what can you expect in a circle? We'll start off with a meditation, and then we'll do some breath work. I'll be brewing homemade ceremonial cacao, bit of cayenne pepper, a bit of cinnamon, and I'll throw in some medicinal mushrooms as well. Don't worry, we will not get trippy. And we will also have a round of sharing without unasked advice, without judgment. We'll leave ego at the door and take our masks off. This is from man to man, open heart to open heart, from soul to soul. And whether that sounds a little spiritual to you, I can guarantee you that there will not be any woo-woo. This is me and you and some other fellow brothers on the same boat trying to get across. We'll be sitting on a seat. No crazy drums, incense, whatever. This is the real thing, real and raw. So if you like that and if you're curious, we'll be implementing everything from the Meaningful Man method as well. This is like a 12-week retreat for emotional health. Brother, this is super dope. You can really upgrade your personal and business life by focusing on your emotional health. I've been going to the gym and working on my physical health. I've been meditating, mental health, spiritual health, financial health. They are all super important. But what about this thing, this big muscle? It is important to connect with your feelings and to have a safe place to share your beautiful stories. And I can guarantee there is magic to be found in all the circles, whether it's gray and miserable and confusing or super beautiful and light and bright. It's all okay. There is no judgment. You are safe. If you would like to experience the magic of my men's circle, whether that's in Amsterdam, in Haarlem, in Utrecht, or in Rotterdam, jump on a call with me. Schedule your call. Let's get to know each other. And if you and I think it's a great fit, I'll put your name on one of the 6 seats for the next circle. So schedule your call now, and I'll be looking forward to hearing your story. Ciao.